How's it going, guys? I'm Zach from Dean Stove and Spa in Sellington. Today we're going to be looking at the Lopi Evergreen made by Travis Industries right in the US of A. With the Evergreen, you're looking at a 2.2 cubic foot firebox up to a 20.5-inch log size. For a mid-sized wood burning stove, you're looking at the highest BTU output as well as the widest BTU range rated by the EPA. On a full load with the Evergreen, you're looking at up to a 10-hour burn time. The Evergreen comes with either a pedestal as shown or legs, one of the most efficient wood stoves on the market today, compliant with all 2020 EPA standards. You gotta see this thing to believe it. We've got these readily available in stock. We also offer installation services as well as 6 and 12-month financing. Again, I'm Zach from Dean's. Thank you very much. I hope to see you guys soon.